Aloha, this is Aaron Lau. I'm coming at you from Simply Wood Studios in Honolulu, Hawaii. I hope you had a great week so far. Today, I want to introduce two items that we put on our website. They're both desk clocks. They're all solid koa. The first one here, this is made out of premium curly koa with a small watch type clock on top here with a cutout of a 6-man racing canoe on there. This is all live edge, natural edge koa here on the bottom. Beautiful lacquer finish on top of it. And the clock is replaceable with a standard watch battery. The next one here, again, is made out of solid koa. These are actually both from the same artist. She lives up on the Big Island. This one here is also made out of premium curly koa wood here. You've got the natural bark cutouts there. Beautiful curly koa base. It's nice there. Both of these again are solid koa. This has a beautiful lacquer finish on it. Same type of desk watch clock. I don't know what you would call it, but the batteries are all standard watch type batteries. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact me through the website or email me. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. Mahalo.